Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own hacking box in Windows. So, without wasting time, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and share to your friends. First, open the Oracle VM box on your Windows machine. Click the New Icon button. In the Create Virtual Machine dialog box, enter the name of your virtual machine. Then select the folder where you create the VirtualBox folder. Then select the ISO image file. You can download it from its official website, or you can download from the link that I give in the description. Click on Next button. As a rule of thumb, I don't recommend using more than 25% of your total system RAM. That means if you have installed 4 GB on your physical or host system, then select just 1 GB for your virtual machine. Click Next, and you'll get to the hard disk screen. Choose Create Virtual Hard Disk and click Create. I suggest you choose 80 GB because we will install some important tools later. Click Finish, click on Settings. Then, VirtualBox will go through a process of detecting your hardware and network adapters. Just wait patiently as it does so. And you're ready to go. I suggest using the graphical install for beginners. Use your keyboard keys to navigate the menu. Then choose the language to be used. Choose your location. Then configure the keyboard. VirtualBox will go through a process of detecting your hardware and network adapters. Just wait patiently as it does so. The first item it asks for is the name of your host. You can name it anything you please. Here you set up user's name and password, then configure the clock. Now partition the disks. I recommend you to select the default option for beginners. Click Continue. Again click Continue. Here choose the first one for partitioning schemes. Click Continue. Again click Continue and finish this process. Kali will prompt you once more to see if you want to write the changes to disk. Select Yes and click Continue. Kali will now begin to install the operating system. This could take a while, so be patient. Now is the time to take your bathroom break and get your favorite beverage. Kali will prompt you as to whether you want to install software. Check the GNOME tool and click Continue. Kali will install top 10 software for hacking. So be patient. Then choose Default Display Manager and click Continue. Then Kali will prompt you as to whether you want to install Grub. A bootloader enables you to select different operating systems to boot into, which means when you boot your machine, you can boot into either Kali or another operating system. Select Yes and click Continue. Click the second option and continue. Congratulations! You've installed Kali. Enter whatever password you selected for your root user. After logging in as root, you will be greeted with the Kali Linux desktop. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.